Now, more than 100 foreign humanitarian agencies have accused Israel of continuing to block aid access to Gaza. Life-saving supplies are being prevented from entering the territory. That's despite an Israeli pledge to ease its blockade, which is causing starvation. Many of the aid organisations, including Save the Children and Oxfam, say that Israel hasn't allowed a single one of their trucks into Gaza since March, leaving tons of aid going to waste. Gaza's health ministry says 235 people, including 106 children, have died due to malnutrition. Israel has rejected the accusations, instead blaming Hamas for exploiting the aid. That's despite an internal US government report finding no evidence of that. Israel's also continuing to hit Gaza with air raids as its military says it's approved a new offensive to take control of Gaza City. On Wednesday, Gaza's largest city was targeted by a wave of air attacks, with health officials saying that at least 123 people were killed in the past day, including 21 seeking aid. Well, earlier we've heard from our correspondent John Donnison, who is in Jerusalem.
Well, this is aid agencies, 100 of them, accusing the Israeli government of weaponizing the issue of aid as starvation, as they say, continues in Gaza. Now, what happened was earlier this year, Israel introduced new rules that meant that any Palestinian in Gaza who was involved in distributing aid, working for these aid organizations, had to be vetted, Israel said, for security reasons. And it demanded that these aid agencies submit all the details of the Palestinians who were doing that. And Israel says that many of those organizations haven't done it. It's around 80% of those aid agencies have not had a single truck in since March. And they say that millions of dollars worth of aid are basically sitting just outside Gaza, going to waste.